topic is the what topic? Come on.
Festival.
Oh,
Festival.
yeah.
It was festival. Mm.
Okay, how many festivals comes in a year? So tell me, ma'am, in your religion, how many festivals comes in a year, and how can you very excited for celebrating that festival? And before that festival, how many days you are starting preparation for that festival? I think everybody like it.
Okay.
Yes.
Very good question. Actually, we have two most important festival in Eid and Bakrid. But also we have Eid Miladun Nabi when our Prophet born at that month. So we celebrate also. And before Eid, we celebrate Ramzan because in Ramzan we have in fast for 30 days. After that, after that we have a Eid, Meethi Eid. You can say sweet Eid. So in before Eid, we in Ramzan we try to prepare for Eid preparation before the Ramzan because in Ramzan we have to offer our rituals. You can say 5 times we incline more religious at that time because it comes only once in a year.
Yes.
So we try to make of the most of it. And before that we prepare, but it in Ramzan we have to go sometime in the market to buy something, but we always try to do it before the Ramzan. And when Eid comes, so we get up early in the morning and I make some sweets, vermicellis, vermicellis, sivaiya. We make sivaiya for our family, and I cook some delicious dinner, lunch, I would say, biryani and kebab. So because when my family come from the mosque, then we have breakfast. After that, people come and meet us, and we spend a good day. Spend the whole day in very with happiness. And after that, after 2 months, we had a Bakr Eid, and it's also the same day for us. We have to make delicious food for our family. Then we will go to meet some other relatives, and after that, we have Eid Miladun Nabi in this month, our Prophet born, and we celebrated very enthusiastically, very zeal, and it's very spiritual for us. So I can't explain it. It was very good day for us. And these four festivals are very significant for us. What about yours?
Okay, yeah, ma'am. So before that, I wanna ask a question. What was that festival in which in your religion people not celebrate? Means ki they celebrate as a making a shop. Means ki I saw many people in the. So what was the that festival name? Shop means ki
Could
yeah.
could you repeat? Could you repeat, please?
People celebrate as a making a शौक means कि शौक मनाते हैं उस दिन
Shop बनाते?
शौक मनाते हैं oh
I didn't get it.
but I saw in Delhi people celebrate that festival शौक मनाते हैं
Okay.
शौक मनाते हैं शौक
शौक मनाते हैं, शौक क्या? What do you mean शौक?
शौक means कि
Uh,
जब कोई listen to me जब कोई ऐसे ऊपर चला जाता है तो शौक मनाते हैं ना उसको how to say that word
oh,
yeah
oh,
what do you say
okay. It means सोग बनाना. Okay, okay. Monday.
yeah
Yeah, Monday.
hmm
Yeah. We after that we of course it is very sad day for us.
hmm
We mourn only 3 days. If a person died, if a person pass away, so we have only 3 days to mourn. Otherwise, our religion doesn't allow us to beat ourselves, to cry a lot, and we just have three days to mourn, and then after 40 days we prayed a lot. But we have a ritual. We have to pray for the departed soul every day. We pray for them. We pray for them. It is our duty. Allah has God given us this duty to do this on and every day, because my parents passed away, so every day I pray for them, because they had a lot of they educated us, they raised us in a very difficult situation. So we it is our responsibility to do this. So sog manana, yeah,
Mhm.
or mourn karna. Yes, you are right.
Okay, ma'am. So your festival is also amazing, and yeah, and your Ramjan festival is a very long time because of people in a all day empty empty stomach. That is very
Yes.
difficult, I think. So it is very
Hmm.
typical task.
Yeah,
So
we have to be empty stomach dawn to dusk. Yeah, it is a patience. It create patience in the in peoples, in individuals.
yes, right.
How to patience, how to hold yourself, not to eat all
Yeah.
the time. Yes.
But I saw many people in the Ramjan. They eat in the means ki they eat everything. Okay, doesn't matter what was the that product, that food.
Hmm.
They eat in the means evening time. They eat everything. Approx 7 after 7 o'clock. I saw many people
Hmm. Hmm.
just like
Yeah,
a
yeah, yeah.
samosa.
It
Means,
is called
huh,
it is called aftari time.
yeah, right.
People mostly people take dinner at that time.
Okay.
But we try to take aftari first, then dinner.
Okay.
But sometime it happens, sometime not every day.
Mm-hmm.
But we try to eat aftari, and then we in the morning, early in the morning, we take our sehri. We call it sehri.
So you also you do you also fast in the Ramjan nowadays? Means ki in this age.
Yeah, yeah. Last year, I when I was in 26 of Rosa,
Okay.
so and I have some problem, physical
Okay.
problem, so I went to the doctor. So he told me, don't keep the fast because you have dehydration problem.
Okay.
So yeah, in this age you have to be very careful.
Careful, right?
So I had to leave. I have to
Hmm.
leave my rosa for 4 to 5 rosas.
Okay.
Yeah, it's really irritating me at that time. I was thinking I shouldn't have gone to the doctor's clinic to visit him. Why did I visit there? He stopped me not to keep fast. So yeah, it happens with me last year.
So now,
Otherwise, I'm very particular.
in next year you will not keep fast in next year.
The last year I kept only 26.
Uh-huh.
26. He told me, don't keep the fast because you have dehydration problem.
Okay.
So yeah, in this age you have to be very careful.
Careful, right?
So I had to leave. I have to
Hmm.
leave my rosa for 4 to 5 rosas.
Okay.
Yeah, it's really irritating me at that time. I was thinking I shouldn't have gone to the doctor's clinic to visit him. Why did I visit there? He stopped me not to keep fast. So yeah, it happens with me last year.
So now,
Otherwise, I'm very particular.
in next year you will not keep fast in next year.
The last year I kept only 26
Uh-huh.
26 days
But in
after I had.
but in coming year you will didn't take what keep fast.
No, no, I will, inshallah. I will, God willing. If God willing, I will, inshallah, try my level best. Before that, I will take some medicine precautions so that I can be in a good health before, before the Ramadan.
Okay, so
Yes. What about your festival? Tell
okay,
me about your festival.
now in our religion there are so many festivals, lots of festivals. So in the month of January, we celebrate Makar Sankranti. Okay, Makar Sankranti. In that festival, people fly the kite and uh, they cook the khichdi.
Oh, khichdi. We also cook khichdi.
Yeah, means ki we add this all over vegetables and also pulse and also
Okay.
add spices, masala वगैरह, everything we can add. Then people celebrate this festival, and after that, in the month of March and Feb, we will celebrate Holi, Holi festival.
Hmm.
This is a, you
Hmm.
know very well, I think this is a full of colorful festival. So
Yes.
every people go to their relatives house and apply the color also, and they meet to each, they hug to each other, and very peacefully and very lovely way. And they, you know what, in this festival we cook the gujia, that one,
Gujia.
gujia, yes.
Is a sweet type of
Yes,
thing,
it is a
sweet thing.
sweet, yeah, it is a sweet, yeah,
Yeah.
sweet, yeah. And
Yeah, we have heard. My mother used to cook this
okay,
gujia. It was
means
sweet thing. Yeah.
it was very amazing,
I
means ki it is a just like as a maida, means ki
yeah.
then we stuff in the,
Uh-huh.
yeah.
Do you know how to cook?
Yeah, I know very well, but in the festival we will cook with my family members, means my mother, sister. So we all our family members um, cook that food,
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
and
Hmm.
also, and after that, so many festivals. Yeah, Diwali, just like is a Diwali also coming in this, yeah, next week. And in Diwali, yeah, we light up all our house, in our house, and we worship to God, Lakshmi and Ganesh and Saraswati. Okay, and
Right. Right.
in all our house we glow the lamp, diya जिसे
Do
बोलते हैं.
you do do you decorated the home?
Yes. Buy the lots of things. Means ki decorating light and decorating jhalar like this, all over things. Yeah,
Hmm.
we do. And before that, we start the uh, we start the neat and clean our house firstly. Before, I think 15 days ago, yeah, 10 days ago, we will start the cleaning our house. Every people in this festival, and
Yes.
after that,
Yes. It happens.
yes, and people also burn the crackers.
Mm-hmm. Crackers. Yes.
But
It's so loud.
I don't like crackers. Yeah, but I like fuljadi, just little bit small. Yeah.
Yeah, Puljadi. Mm-hmm. We have also Puljadi, but in my school days or college days, I used to. But now I I feel very scared about it. Because it creates pollution
Yeah.
and lot of things. Yeah, I scared of it, so I don't. But I love watching that on TV or live.
Yeah.
So yes,
When people burn the crackers, then after that you watch sky. Sky will fully colorful, colorful of light.
Very nice. Yeah, I can understand because I have watched many videos in films and in
Yes.
YouTube channels, so I can understand easily. You enjoyed a lot.
Yes.
Yes. So,
And
do you have in if let's suppose if you are going to the office or those who are working professional, did they get the days off from the office?
Yes, yes, of course. Why not? So in Diwali, in this Diwali, so uh, I think 3 to 4 days. I have a leave. Every people
Oh.
office will be off for the 3 to 4 days.
Ah, very nice. Okay. So you do you like to sleep all the day or you have to work a lot at home?
No, just doing work. So yeah, I will also sleep
Mm.
because I love to sleep. Yeah.
It happens, it happens. Yeah, because after many days of months, you will get the chance to sleep well. Otherwise, if you are a working professional, you have to get up in the morning and
Early
do
morning.
9 to 5 job.
Yes.
Yeah, it's quite difficult.
Yeah, it is
But
very
you are
difficult.
right, right. Yes. So we have discussed many festivals, right?
Yeah, 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 right.
Yeah, I got to know your festival and I got to know your festival. So it's amazing to, discuss about festivals. Yes.
Okay, so I think we will